All right, seventh graders, here's your bell work for this week. It's action verbs and subjects. For this week's bell work, what you are going to have to do is mark each verb with a V, mark each subject with an S. Fix each sentence by adding a capital letter or in punctuation or by changing a word. Now, if you remember, a subject is the person doing the action. The verb is the action. So if you look at the examples, the girls sang a song. Girls is doing the singing, so that is our subject. The girls are singing, so that is our verb. And then it needed a period at the end. On the second one, Liz wrote a door. Well, Liz is the person doing the action of writing, so Liz is our subject. Wrote is the action, so that's our verb. And since she didn't write a door, she wrote a poem, so they changed it to poem. On the last one, I walked to school. Now, our subject is I because I am doing the walking. Walked is our verb, that's the action, and it needed to start with a capital letter. So they inserted a capital letter. If you look at number one, the horse ran fast. In this case, our horse is doing our running, so it's my subject. And the horse did what? The horse ran, that's our verb. And then it needs a capital letter at the beginning, so I made it a capital T. And number two, Doug swims every day. Who is that sentence about? It's about Doug. What does Doug do? Doug swims. And then it needs a period at the end. And remember, we circle when we add our end punctuation. If you look down at number four, my cat cooked dinner. Who is that sentence about? It's about a cat. What did the cat do? It cooked dinner. Now, a cat can't cook dinner, so we could change the word cook to ate. The cat ate dinner, and that makes it a better sentence. So for 2A, you need to finish sentence 3 and 5. I have shown you how to do this week's spell work. Now finish lessons 2A through 2D. You can do one each day and submit when done, or you can do them all in one setting. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when you're done. Also, don't forget to mark as done on Canvas